Welcome back to the channel. Thanks to my sponsor PCBWay.
Grew up in a place.
My idea was to create a crown made of metal and glass. But that idea was a bit pricey, so we're gonna do the next best thing, print it ourselves.
Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
In this video I did not include all the design material footage I had because it was a really lengthy one. If you wonder why I'm designing a crown, it's because of the national holiday here in the Netherlands, Kingsday.
I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself.
I printed the crown parts in many different ways to get the best results.
Down, myself down.
In the end, the best results gave the 0.4mm nozzle with real slow printing. The left two ones took about 8.5 hours. The right two ones, I bought a different nozzle for that, the 0.8 nozzle, and they took about 2.5 hours. I also tried hollow ones and many other different ways to print them. Here you can see the other parts. Left side is the 0.8 nozzle, right side is the 0.4 nozzle, and about 10 hours difference in printing time. If you like this video, please leave a like and consider to subscribe. It will really help this channel out. It really took me a long time to align everything, and then I had to change it to the back side. Pro tip, if you design a PCB, always check twice before you send it out to produce it. Pro tip number 2, don't put vias in your soldering pads. Thanks to PCBWay for sponsoring this video. PCBWay is best known for manufacturing PCBs, but they also do CNC machining, 3D printing and much more. Also handy is the PCB prototype assembly. Go check them out on PCBWay.com. As always, shipment was fast and quality was really good. So it's time to solder the WeMos D1 Mini on it and get going. This is where I went wrong. I ordered the turnkey production with the button already installed, but I forgot I have an external button to it, so that's why I'm soldering these wires. I use standard M3 5mm screws for this one. And this is a normal momentary switch. The USB-C is a really snug fit. And after the last test run, it's time for the final result. I still want to do this one in steel and glass, because it really looks beautiful. Thanks to my Patreons. Like and subscribe or support me on Patreon. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next.